To change video recording format on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Next step is to click on the four dots and navigate to the settings. Inside you can find video format. Then there's a few different options. First is the format itself. You can change between HEVC, which is high efficiency, or you can go for H264. So those two are basically, the first one is offers you the higher efficiency for photos, which means they will take less space on your phone. But at the same time, it may not be compatible with some of the apps or websites, so you won't be able to upload your videos to most websites and etc. H264 offers more compatibility, but higher, it will take more space on your phone to store those videos. And for HEVC, you can also enable high bitrate videos, which will offer higher bitrate on the videos, so they are much less pixelated when there's a lot of things going on there. HDR, which you can also enable or disable, and lock for pro video mode only. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.